Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about Aveum Network withdrawal. Have you been mining Aveum Network and you have accumulated some tokens but you don't know how to withdraw successfully or correctly? In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can place your withdrawal, how to add the contract address, and then how to copy your address, and then how to use it to place your withdrawal correctly on Aveum Network. All right, so if you have been mining this project and you have been looking for a video that guide people on how they can withdraw, then this video is the final bus stop, because I am going to show you guys how it's being done step by step in this very video. All you need to do is to calm down, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, guys, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on daily basis on this my channel. So for you not to miss out any of my latest update, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I releases new videos like this. So in this video tutorial, I'll be talking about this Aveum Network withdrawal. But before I proceed, if you are not in any of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, after watching this video, you can use the link in the comment section of this video to join us for more business tips and more money making idea. Then in my WhatsApp group or my Telegram group, I am going to be leaving the contract address which you will use. This is very important. Without the contract address, you cannot add the token on your Web3 wallet. All right. So the contract address you will see in the WhatsApp group or Telegram group, copy it. So when you copy it, you will now paste it the way I'm going to show you guys step by step in this very video. So if you are not in my group, use the link in the comment section of the video to join my WhatsApp group or Telegram group. All right. I'll be leaving it in the comment section. So how do we place withdrawal? To place withdrawal, you see this option of profile. Click on profile. First of all, you need to complete your KYC. Please take note. When you have completed your primary KYC, then your advanced KYC is also needed. So when you have not done your advanced KYC, this thing will be showing like this. You can see verification is missing. So you tap on it to complete your KYC. So when you have completed your KYC, now to place your withdrawal, the first thing that you need to do is to add the contract address in either your Trust wallet, your Bitgate wallet, or your Binance Web3 wallet, or your Bybit Web3 wallet. So any of the Web3 wallet which you are using, you need the contract address. So if you're in my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, the contract address which I will leave there, copy the contract address. So when you have finished copying the contract address, what do we do next? We will now I'm going to use Bitgate wallet. Do you understand? So I'm going to use Bitgate wallet in this video. So let me now go to my Bitgate wallet and show you how to add the contract address after you have copied it from the WhatsApp or Telegram group. So let's proceed here. Let me show you guys. So guys, I'm now in my Bitgate wallet. Now, how do you add the contract address of Aveum Network, the AVE? How do you add it? So when you copy the contract address, how you can now add it is when you click on wallet. Click on wallet. So when you click on wallet from your Bitgate wallet, this is Bitgate wallet. Please, not Bitgate itself, Bitgate wallet. Then you can see this option of plus icon. See tokens. You can see token. Then you can see this plus icon. Click on it. So when you click on it, the contract address which you will copy from the WhatsApp or Telegram group, you see this place here. Tap this search bar here, paste it there. So paste it there. So when you paste it there, wait for it to load. So you can see it here, AVE. That's the Aveum Network. That's Polygon. Then you can see this plus icon. Then tap on this plus icon. So when you tap on this plus icon, wait for it to be added. So you can see that it has been added successfully. So now, the moment you add it successfully, the next thing you need to do is to copy your AVE address now, which you will use in receiving your tokens. So when you are placing your withdrawal, you're receiving it here. So now I will go back. So go back to wallet. Do you see it here? Do you see it? So once you connect it, once you add it, all the Polygon coins or all the Polygon network will show here. So this is it now. So you can now tap on it. So when you tap on it, you can see the option of receive. Click on receive. then you can copy your own unique address. So I will copy my own unique address. Now that we have copied my own unique address, what are we going to do? We are now going to move back to our Bitgate wallet, to our Aveum Network platform. So now this is the how you place your withdrawal. Please take note. Do you understand? So you are receiving. This is the wallet you are using to receive your own personal unique wallet. So now I will go back to the app and continue. I have copied my address. I will now show you guys how to add it correctly to place your withdrawal. Now let's go back to the place. So guys, we are now back to update my wallet address, which I have copied from my Bitgate wallet after adding the token. So how do we do it? So you scroll down. So when you come back to your profile, scroll down. Then you see the option of update wallet address. Click on it. So when you click on it, you enter the wallet address which you copied from your Bitgate wallet or Bybit wallet or Trust wallet, the Aveum address. Then you paste it. So after you paste it, click on update. So click on update. So do you see that we have updated it successfully? Now to place your withdrawal is very easy. So once you have completed your KYC and you have added this token, this to your receiving address correctly, then the next thing is to click on withdraw. Do you understand? So you click on withdraw. So you can see it here. Do you see? So you scroll down. You can see the requirement. Then you can see the option of send a withdrawal request. Once your KYC is completed, you can now send a withdrawal request. So that's it. So you will see your wallet address, every single thing you have added. All you need to do is to click on send withdrawal, request withdrawal. Do you understand? Then wait for it to be credited to your wallet. So when it's credited to your wallet, you can now decide that you want to swap it or you want to keep it and wait for the listing day on CS. So this is how to place your withdrawal from Aveum Network. A lot of people have been making their research and complaining that they have not still getting it right. So I believe this video guideline may help. So don't forget there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with friends and then family. And then if you want to try this Aveum Network yourself, I'll be leaving my own personal link, referral link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to try it out yourself. There is love in sharing. Don't forget, a lot of people don't know how to withdraw correctly from this platform, and then this is how it's been done, and you can help someone today by sharing this video. All right, thank you, and may God bless you as you share this video. I remain Sparky.